Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Ashley here. In today's video, I will be reviewing this synthetic wig from ReadyWig. Yes, you guys, the synthetic wig today, not human hair, for all my ladies that are trying to save a coin and still want something that looks good at the same time. So in the package, they provided me with 2 wig caps, which I'm grateful for because I'm always needing some wig caps, a hair care card that came with instructions on how to take care of your synthetic wig, a cute little spray bottle. I thought this was so different. I can definitely put something in here, and of course the wig itself. The wig that I received was their black loose wave synthetic lace front wig in 20 inches. It is currently on sale for $40 US, you guys. On the inside, it has a typical construction with the 3 combs and the 2 elastic straps in the back, adjustable straps rather. There were some baby hairs that were kind of pre-plucked, and I didn't do any extra plucking on the lace itself, but you guys will see how I customized that at the end. After brushing these curls out, you guys, look at how beautiful and soft and bouncy these curls look. It does not even look like synthetic hair. So because I knew that I wasn't going to glue this wig down, I just took the 2 adjustable straps in the back and I connected them over each other across, if that makes sense, just to clinch the wig and make it a bit tighter so that it fits snug to my head. So the top of the wig was a bit lumpy. I just went ahead and took my Got To Be Glue spray. That was actually my fault because I let the wig sit in a weird position for a long time. So I'm just smoothing it out with my rat tail comb, and then I'm going over it yet again with some wax stick just to get it as flat as possible. Unfortunately, the parting space was not as wide as I thought, but that is completely okay. I went ahead and created a fake scalp illusion, if you will, with some foundation powder and a concealer brush. And this is how you finesse a synthetic wig. This is the final product, you guys. I'm just brushing it out one last time to make those curls really pop, and you guys can see it looks pretty good. I mean, for a synthetic wig, like, you can't even tell, honestly. The luster of the hair is really nice, and it's not super shiny and fake looking, which I really like as well. And I'm pretty sure if I did more customization to this wig, like further plucking all around the hairline and even at the top, sort of, it would have looked even better. But just for the sake of this video, I just wanted to show you guys really quickly what it does look like, and I actually do like it. So if you guys like it, give this video a big thumbs up. If you don't, comment below, let me know. Don't forget to place your order with ReadyWig. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.